Remember all the dreams you wished for, and hoping they would all come true. Nothing seemed too far to reach for, and the sky was always turning blue. Every day was filled with new surprises, and the sun was always shining through. But you knew that nothing lasts forever, and it left you feeling sad and blue. Just pretend to be happy. Don't let the world see you cry, though it hurts deep inside you. No one has to know why, and the heartaches you're feeling soon will be on their way. Just pretend to be happy, and you will be someday. At times life can be a gamble. We play out all the hands we're dealt, knowing how luck can be fickle. Our hearts did the best they had felt. It is better to have taken chances, for life can be just a crazy game. Even if you don't get what you wished for, there will be another chance someday. Just pretend to be happy. Don't let the world see your tears, though it hurts deep inside you. Make believe you don't care, and the heartaches you're feeling soon will be on their way. Just pretend to be happy, and you will be someday. When it seems things won't work out, don't have any doubts. Your dream